what's up? I recently ordered some more amazing makeup from the Pink Panda website and I received that Winter Wonderland mystery bag as a present. Do you wanna know what's inside? I had to cut it because I couldn't open it otherwise, and now let's see what's inside the bag. I couldn't find any YouTube videos on this, so here I am. I'm gonna show you what's inside that mystery bag just because I'm such a generous person. So, first I see one is a mud pack face mask and the other is a rose cleaning face mask. That's great, but I had more cosmetics and more mystery bags, so I have a lot from these, but it's fine, I'll just use them. And I actually need to throw away my old face masks because they are old. I wouldn't use it on my face, so it's perfect that I have new ones and I do not even have to buy right now. I'm saving money. Oh, there is a nail shaper. That's great. I'm gonna use it to shape my short nails. A lipstick. Wow, Makeup Revolution Atomic Shade lipstick. Let's open it. Oh, it is atomic. I think it will look good on me. Woo! That's an eyeshadow palette by Makeup Revolution. I really do not have this one. That's Iconic Vitality. Ha! I can't wait to play with that one. Great! More makeup to play with, yay! Oh, tweezers. I would probably use this if I had eyebrows. But someday in the future, when my eyebrows grow and I will need to plug them again, I will definitely use that. Yeah. That's all from the mystery bag. Not that I'm complaining, I will again order something from the Pink Panda website and let me know in the comments if you want me to film more unboxing videos of these mystery bags, because that's the website that I use to order NYX Cosmetics. I love NYX Cosmetics so much. You know that I use that eyebrow pencil a lot. When I empty the eyebrow products, I will again purchase something from the website and I'll probably again make the bill needed from the website to receive the gift, because it's free makeup. So I had to purchase the NYX eyebrow pencil and I was like, well, I will just purchase 3 of them because I use them every day, and I will purchase 3 so that I get the present. And I purchased them and now I have the present and I'm so happy because I have makeup to play with. Okay, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned because I will upload a new video soon. I'm trying to upload 2 videos a week. I hope that in the future I will upload more often. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, that will help me a lot, and please subscribe to my channel, that will too help me a lot. And if you hit the notification bell, then you will be notified every time I upload a new video, which is beneficial to you. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make more unboxing mystery bags videos. So, thanks for watching, bye, and I will see you next time.